Hi friend, let's learn a new common English proverb. Every cloud has a silver lining. It means that difficult situations usually have at least one positive aspect. How to use it? Even though he had lost the match, he had gained in experience and was more confident now. Every cloud has a silver lining. One more example. The surgery left you feeling in pain for a few hours. But every cloud has a silver lining, and your knee will feel brand new in a few months. My friend, we publish new common English proverb daily. Follow to not miss the next episode. Speak Pro English. Tell the world about yourself.